Welcome back to our channel. We have something exciting to share with you today. We're diving into the world of pressure washers, specifically electric pressure washers. If you're looking to tackle tough cleaning tasks around your home or workspace, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be showcasing the 5 best electric pressure washers for the year 2024. Whether it's cleaning your driveway, your patio, your car, or any other outdoor surface, these machines have got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. Sunjoe SPX 3000 is our first choice. This is a powerful and versatile electric pressure washer that is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks, including homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, lawn equipment, and more. It features an 1800-watt motor that generates up to 2030 psi and 1.76 GPM of water flow, making it easy to remove even the toughest dirt, grime, and stains. It comes with a variety of features that make it easy to use and effective. It comes with 5 quick connect spray tips for tackling a variety of cleaning tasks. It has 2 0.9-liter onboard, removable detergent tanks for carrying and storing different types of detergent. It features a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. It comes with a durable stainless steel lance with solid brass fittings, a 20-foot steel-reinforced high-pressure hose, a 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, and a handy onboard storage compartment for storing accessories. To use the SPX 3000, simply attach the desired spray tip to the lance and connect the hose to the pressure washer. Then, plug in the power cord and turn on the pressure washer. To apply detergent, simply squeeze the trigger and pull the detergent lever. To adjust the pressure, simply turn the pressure control knob. Once you have finished cleaning, simply turn off the pressure washer and disconnect the hose. Be sure to drain any remaining water from the hose and pressure washer before storing. The SPX 3000 is perfect for cleaning a variety of surfaces, including homes, buildings, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, and more. Overall, the Sunjoe SPX 3000 is a powerful and versatile electric pressure washer that is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks around the home and yard. It is easy to use and efficient, and it comes with a variety of features that make it a great value for the price. At number 2, the Greenworks 3000. This is also a powerful electric pressure washer that is ideal for tough cleaning tasks around the home and garden. It is powered by a 14-ampere true brushless motor that generates up to 3000 psi and 1.1 GPM of water flow. This makes it perfect for cleaning concrete patios, decks, fences, siding, and more. It is easy to use and maneuver. It features a push-button start and a 25-foot steel-braided hose. The Greenworks 3000 psi pressure washer is powered by a brushless motor, which is more efficient and durable than traditional brushed motors. It also features a push-button start for easy operation. The pressure washer comes with a variety of accessories, including a 25-foot hose, a metal gun, and 4 nozzle tips, 15, 25, 40 degrees, and turbo. The turbo nozzle is ideal for removing tough dirt and grime, while the other nozzles can be used for a variety of other cleaning tasks. It is also relatively lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it a good choice for homeowners who need a powerful but portable pressure washer. With up to 50% more flow than any other, it reaches higher areas and provides a quick power rinse. When using the Greenworks 3000 psi pressure washer, it is important to follow the safety instructions carefully. Be sure to wear safety glasses and gloves when operating the pressure washer and avoid spraying water directly at people or pets. The Greenworks 3000 psi pressure washer is a great choice for homeowners who need a powerful and versatile pressure washer for cleaning a variety of surfaces, including concrete, brick, fences, decks, houses, cars, RVs, and boats. Now let's talk about our third recommendation, the Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI. This is an excellent pressure washer that delivers powerful cleaning performance without the fumes, mess, or maintenance of a gas-powered model. It has a maximum pressure of 2300 psi and a flow rate of 2.3 gallons per minute, making it ideal for a variety of cleaning tasks. It features a true brushless TM motor that is more efficient and longer lasting than traditional brushed motors. It also provides more torque for increased cleaning power. It features jet flow technology that delivers up to 50% more water flow, reaching higher areas and quick power rinsing. Its smart flow water pressure sensing technology intelligently adjusts water flow to deliver the ideal amount of pressure for each nozzle. This prevents damage to delicate surfaces and ensures that you're using the right amount of pressure for the job. It has kink-resistant 25 feet hose that gives you plenty of reach to move around your work area without having to worry about the hose kinking. It comes with a variety of nozzles for different cleaning tasks, including a 15-degree nozzle for tough jobs, a 25-degree nozzle for general cleaning, a 40 degrees nozzle for delicate surfaces, a soap nozzle, and a turbo nozzle for maximum cleaning power. Overall, the Greenworks Pro 2300 PSI is a powerful and versatile electric pressure washer that is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks. It is easy to use and features a variety of user-friendly features. Next, we have a unveil electric pressure washer 3000 PSI. This is also a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to clean a wide variety of surfaces, including cars, driveways, patios, fences, and decks. It has a 1800-watt motor that generates up to 3000 psi of pressure and a flow rate of 2.6 gallons per minute. This makes it ideal for removing tough dirt, grime, and stains. It comes with a variety of features that make it easy to use and effective. It has a quick connect nozzle system that allows you to easily switch between different nozzles depending on the cleaning task at hand. It also has a built-in detergent tank and a soap nozzle for applying detergent to the cleaning surface. It is also relatively lightweight and portable, making it easy to move around in use. The electric pressure washer features a powerful 1800-watt motor that generates 3,000 pounds per square inch of pressure and 2.6 gallons per minute of flow. With its automatic pump shut-off feature, it conserves energy and prolongs the motor's life. It is portable, easy to start, and low maintenance to handle a variety of jobs. This electric power washer machine meets the waterproof standard IPX5 so that it does not damage your motor or cause a short circuit if you drop it into water. You can use the pressure washer with a 35-foot power cord and an inline GFCI for control and checking power usage, which is attached to the pressure washer. It has a variety of nozzles included for different cleaning tasks. The unveil electric pressure washer 3000 PSI is a great choice for homeowners who are looking for a powerful and versatile pressure washer for a variety of cleaning tasks. It is easy to use, portable, and affordable. Finally, we have Westinghouse EPX 3100 electric pressure washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3100 electric pressure washer is a great choice for homeowners who are looking for a powerful and reliable machine that can handle a variety of cleaning tasks. It's also pretty affordable, so it's a good deal. It features a 2050 psi max pressure and 1.76 GPM max flow rate, which is enough to tackle even the toughest jobs. It also comes with a variety of features that make it easy and convenient to use. It has an onboard detergent tank that allows you to easily apply cleaning detergent to the surface you are cleaning without having to switch between a pressure washer nozzle and a detergent sprayer. Its Pro-style steel wand is lightweight and easy to maneuver, and it features a comfortable grip for extended use. It comes with a variety of nozzles to choose from, depending on the cleaning job at hand. The nozzles include a 0-degree turbo nozzle for blasting away tough dirt and grime, a 25-degree nozzle for general cleaning, a 40-degree nozzle for lighter cleaning, a 65-degree nozzle for rinsing, and a soap nozzle for applying detergent. It features a wide base and low center of gravity to prevent it from tipping over, even when using the pressure washer at high pressure. It has 25 feet easy coil hose for extended reach. It is powerful enough to tackle even the toughest dirt and grime, but it is also easy to use and control. It is versatile and can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks, including cars, trucks, boats, decks, patios, driveways, siding, and more. It is portable and easy to store, so you can take it with you wherever you need to go. It is backed by a 2-year warranty, so you can be confident in your purchase. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile electric pressure washer, the Westinghouse EPX 3100 is a great option to consider. 2024 brings with it a new generation of electric pressure washers, offering more power, versatility, and convenience than ever before. Whether you're a seasoned dyer or just looking to spruce up your outdoor spaces, investing in a quality electric pressure washer is a wise decision. So gear up, get ready to blast away the grime, and make 2024 the year of sparkling clean with the best electric pressure washer for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos on the latest and greatest in home improvement and cleaning tools. Happy cleaning!